Sort of weather day out there today, hasn't it? We've had a lot of cloud and some drizzly outbreaks of rain, but something a little bit clearer has started to work in from the north. So this was the picture as the sun set in East Lothian a little bit earlier on today. Now it's going to be a bit of a split picture through the course of tonight. Under those clearer skies for Scotland and for Northern Ireland, it's turning quite cold. We'll see a touch of frost around, but a different picture further south across the UK. For England and for Wales, we're going to stick with a lot of cloud overnight, producing drizzly outbreaks of rain, so it won't be feeling quite as chilly. So we've got all that cloud that's shifting its way south. You can see the outbreaks of drizzly rain pushing across much of England and Wales through this evening and overnight, but much clearer skies working in for Scotland and for Northern Ireland. Just one or two showers in the far northwest. But there'll be a really contrast in temperature. So underneath the cloud with the drizzle in the south, some of us holding on to double figures. But in our towns and cities, temperatures further north getting down to around about 2 degrees or so, but colder than that in the countryside. So we are likely to see a touch of frost across Scotland, Northern Ireland, perhaps the far north of England as well. Through the day, though, those clear skies slowly push south. Cloud and outbreaks of drizzly rain being confined to the far south of England and South Wales as we move through into the afternoon. In the sunshine in the north, well, temperatures around about 6 to 8 degrees, milder in the south, around about 10 or 11, but you've got those outbreaks of fairly light and patchy rain lasting through the day. That's all down to this cold front, which will eventually, during Tuesday night and overnight into Wednesday, clear away, and then we've got higher pressure moving in as we head through the middle of the week. So that means from Wednesday onwards, what we'll see is southwesterly winds around that area of high pressure, drawing in this mild air across Scotland and Northern Ireland. Further south, though, we're stuck underneath the area of high pressure, but colder air mass around. So a bit of a different picture north to south across the UK. From midweek onwards, in the north, we're looking at those mild and breezy conditions continuing, but further south, some colder weather on the way, and we could see some fairly stubborn fog patches and low cloud lingering too. So that's the scene as we head through into Wednesday then. It's looking dry for most areas, just a few showers across the far northwest of Scotland where it will be cloudier and breezier too. So temperatures here getting up into double figures. Further south, under those clearer skies, it'll be colder to start off, some frost and some fog, which could be quite slow to clear on Wednesday. And we're going to see those stubborn fog patches lingering through the rest of the week. Fiona.